Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to create vertical slicer in Excel sheet. So let's start as my Excel and here you can see I have data. So here you need to convert this data in table first. So simply click on the Ctrl T to convert this data in table. And you can see one small dialog box is open to create table. Range here automatically selected. After that, just click on OK and you can see your data is converted in table with the table design tab. To create slicer, go to the table designs and in tools group, click on the insert slicer option and select the slicer those you want. So I want the slicer as per the product wise. I select here the product and click on OK and that's it. Here you can see the vertical slicer is ready. Okay. If you want to change the style of slicer, go to the slicer tab. In slicer style, just click on the drop down arrow and light and dark style is available. Select the style those you want and you can see the different style is available. If you want to increase the size in slicer in size group, you can increase the height of slicer. Okay. Okay, you can decrease the height. You can increase the width of slicer, decrease the width of slicer. Okay. So this is a way you can change the slicer size also. Okay. If you want to drag the corner point and you can easily increase the size of the slicer here. So that's it. Okay. So this is a way you can create a vertical slicer. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.